Hello, my name is Tim, but you can call me Mr. Vivoda if you please. I would like to show you how my future classroom will look. Above all, my classroom will be kid-friendly with many different areas for learning. Of course, I'll have a classroom full of color and life, so that will be a place where kids feel free and comfortable and safe. In the back, I will have big, comfy chairs for story time. I will use them to teach the students while they sit comfortably. I will utilize the windows in the classroom, allowing the sun in so that there will be natural light in the room. By the windows will be computers. These computers will allow my students to explore new ideas in the world and practice their skills through technology. The room will have encouraging posters that say things like, "You can do it," and "Reading is fun." The desk will be facing a board. The board will have a projector screen in front of it as well, so that we can utilize all the technology available for learning. Having both a projector screen and a chalkboard will allow me to be diverse in the way I teach my students. It is very important to use technology when it is available to you. Not only does technology prepare students for the future, but using technology is fun and can be a helpful tool in furthering a student's mind. That's all for today. Thanks for joining me and seeing what my future classroom holds.